Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A sprawling, luxurious backyard scene featuring a modern, two-story home nestled within lush greenery. The house, constructed of light beige brick, boasts a sophisticated design with dark framed windows and a large covered patio overlooking a sparkling, dark teal swimming pool. The patio area is paved with light beige stone tiles, creating a cohesive aesthetic. Brown teak outdoor furniture, including daybeds and lounge chairs, is strategically positioned around the pool and beneath the patio roof. A breakfast bar with seating is visible within the home's open floor plan, subtly hinting at indoor living. Dense foliage, including tall trees and tropical plants, frames the house and pool area, creating a sense of tranquility and privacy. A sprawling, luxurious outdoor pool area, adjacent to a charming stone villa. The villa is constructed of light beige and gray stone, with a terracotta tiled roof. Natural light streams into the villa, illuminating the interior through large windows and doors. The pool is a deep teal/gray color, with a mosaic tile bottom and the edges are a darker tone. Lavender bushes line the pool's edge, adding a pop of color and a touch of nature to the scene. Outdoor chaise lounges, with light gray cushions and striped towels, are arranged around the pool. The stone patio extends around the pool, with light beige and tan stones providing a textured backdrop. Trees and greenery surround the villa, creating depth and a sense of lushness within the outdoor space. A sun-drenched, meticulously landscaped garden walkway leading to a rustic stone home. Impressionistic style, with soft focus on the foliage and natural elements. The pathway is a mix of light gray gravel and dark gray paving stones, meandering through a variety of low-maintenance, vibrant plantings. Fluffy ornamental grasses in shades of purple, light beige, and green, intermixed with colorful flowering shrubs and perennials, create a textured tapestry. Rustic terracotta pots hold various plants including decorative grasses and small, rounded shrubs. A large, light beige-gray stone home with terracotta tiled roofing is partially visible, accented by large dark gray windows with visible frames. A sprawling backyard oasis featuring a large, rectangular swimming pool with dark teal water, reflecting the surrounding lush greenery and architecture. The pool deck is pale beige stone, contrasting beautifully with the deep teal water. Two sets of comfortable, dark brown teak chaise lounges are positioned on either side of the pool, inviting relaxation. A light beige umbrella is strategically placed amidst a dense tropical garden, filled with vibrant greenery, palms, banana trees, and other leafy plants. A beautifully designed Mediterranean-style house with light beige and tan stone walls, adorned with lush green ivy, provides the backdrop. A spacious, light beige stucco home with a terracotta tiled roof, featuring a large patio area with a modern aesthetic. The patio is paved with light gray stone tiles arranged in a geometric pattern. Glass French doors open to the interior of the home, revealing a living area with muted tones, warm browns, creams, and oranges. Outdoor furniture, including a set of light-colored wicker or metal chairs, and orange-cushioned seating, are present on the patio. The outdoor space is filled with lush greenery, trees, bushes, and potted plants add depth and texture. There are piles of oranges on a small, low, dark metal or wood stand. A sprawling, landscaped backyard with a modern stone house at dusk. Large stone patio area surrounds a rectangular pool with low, cascading water features. Purple lavender and other flowering plants frame the pool and steps. The house is constructed of light brownish-gray stone, with large windows and dark, modern frames. The setting is a wooded suburban area. The sky is a mix of warm, sunset colors, oranges, and pinks, and the trees are lush and green. The lighting is a mix of natural light from the sunset and soft, warm outdoor lighting highlighting the plants, pool, and steps. The landscaping is meticulously designed, with well-defined beds and pathways. A sprawling, light-filled outdoor patio, extending from a light stone, two-story home. A series of stone steps lead down to the patio, which is paved with a light taupe beige stone. A large sectional sofa set, in a neutral gray taupe, sits on the patio, near a low coffee table. Flower beds with vibrant pink and red flowers are strategically placed at the steps' edges and also at the bottom of some steps. The home's stone exterior is a light gray/beige, and the large windows of the part of the home that extends out include the patio are dark framed, providing a dramatic contrast. Trees and landscaping are abundant, creating depth and greenery around the structure. A modern, landscaped garden with a series of interconnected water features. A paved walkway and multiple rectangular water channels, featuring flowing water and small waterfalls, are at the center of the composition. The channels are bordered with dark gray/black stone and hold vibrant orange marigold flowers in raised planters. Various other plantings of different flowers and greenery are also included, in a mix of colors and textures, creating a layered look. Dark brown/rust-colored metal planters and vertical panels provide contrast and structure to the space. A large, rustic, copper-colored, round planter is situated near the center of the image. A modern, luxurious, two-story brick home with a large outdoor patio area. The style is contemporary and minimalist, with a focus on clean lines, large windows, and natural materials. The brick exterior is a warm brown tone, while the roof and elements of the house are a dark gray. The patio features a fire pit in a large, rectangular, dark gray stone slab. Large, comfortable outdoor furniture, in a neutral tan/beige color, is strategically positioned around the fire pit and overlooking the house. The lighting is soft and warm, enhancing the ambience and highlighting the architectural details. The landscaping includes lush trees and greenery, creating a serene and welcoming outdoor space. A modern, open-air patio courtyard, extending off a light beige stucco house. The patio flooring is a light beige/cream, patterned tile. Large sections of glass doors open to a stylish, minimalist interior with a kitchen area featuring wooden cabinetry and seating in warm, muted orange tones. Outdoor furniture, including a light beige chaise lounge, matching sectional sofa with orange throw pillows, and small side tables, is arranged around a large, light-colored coffee/dining table. Fruits, orange, and various plants, ferns, and potted trees are throughout. The scene is bright, sunny, and airy with natural light streaming in through the large windows. A palette of light beige, warm oranges, muted browns, and greens. A charming, sun-drenched courtyard garden, impressionistic in style, featuring a rustic stone house with a terracotta tiled roof. The house is built of light gray and beige stones, with dark gray shutters and windows. Ivy climbs the walls, and lush green topiary in terracotta pots surrounds the courtyard. A large, rectangular dining table with black metal chairs is situated in the center, set for a meal amongst pebbles and decorative paving stones. The courtyard is paved with small pebbles and gray paving stones. Vibrant green bushes and plantings add depth of color and texture. The scene has a warm, inviting atmosphere with muted terracotta and stone colors, and deep greens of the greenery. A modern, landscaped backyard garden. Contemporary brick house with dark gray metal accents and large windows. The garden path is made of large, rectangular, light gray paving stones creating a geometric pattern on a bed of dark gray pebbles. Various types of low-maintenance plants and shrubs in terracotta orange, deep green, and silvery gray tones, plus tall grasses, are organized along the paths and beds. Small dark gray planters are scattered throughout, primarily containing small, rounded evergreen shrubs. A grassy area is bordered by a retaining wall partially visible. Natural light casts shadows and highlights on the landscaping elements. The brickwork, steel, and dark gray exterior are contrasted with earthy tones and pops of color in the plants. A luxurious outdoor patio area with a modern swimming pool. Outdoor sectional sofa set with light beige cushions and wooden teak frames, positioned around a large wooden coffee table centered on a light beige travertine paved terrace. The terrace has a built-in, step-style, pool design that leads down to a rectangular, clear pool with light green water. Landscaped with lavender bushes and various trees including olive trees, framing the patio. A modern house with large sliding glass doors provide a seamless connection between the indoor living area and the outdoor space. The interior of the home is visible, with dark wood tones, natural light, and a sense of calm. A sprawling modern-style home with a long, flowing water feature. The house is 2 stories, featuring dark gray metal roofing and siding, with light beige/tan stone accents. Large windows let in natural light. Lush green landscaping, with various plants and shrubs, surrounds the house. A sculpted statue of a seated woman is placed in a garden bed. A long, shallow pool with fountains runs along the length of the house. The water reflects the surrounding greenery and the building. The outdoor patio area includes furniture and planters filled with vibrant flowers. The sky is a clear, bright blue. The trees and greenery are lush and vibrant in varying shades of green.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.